Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Block Ball right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, as always, we will take a look at the charts. I have literally just come back from the gym. I've literally just had a scroll through Twitter, see what Twitter's saying. Apparently, the market's very choppy at the moment, so I've yet to look at the charts so far. But first and foremost, we're on crypto bubbles here, so just having a look at the day. Let's just get a quick refresh here. So on the day, Sandy's doing massive things. So again, this gaming sort of entertainment narrative is sort of building this week. So Sandy's up massively at the moment. I do believe Gala is in that basket as well. So this is why I'm still expecting Gala to run up massively here. Mana is also up 17.6%. We're just shy of 6% here with Gala, but I do expect some big things to come with Gala shortly. So we will take a look at Gala. We'll take a look at the ISO tokens, in particular like XRP. We'll see if we can have a look at XDC, Xlm, but I can't promise anything. Just stay tuned to what's to come. Now, first and foremost, things are heating up politically in the world. So this is where I believe a black swan is going to occur. Now, this isn't just with the news. I believe the quote that goes, "Show me the charts and I'll tell you the news." Now, we might not be able to tell you the news. We might not be able to tell you exactly what's going to play out, but I could tell you just by looking at the charts, something massive is going to happen. You know, we need a massive black swan now because we have run up massively. You know, I haven't got an issue with running up big time, but the fact that we've done it in such a short space of time now, I believe Xlm is the perfect example of this. Xlm has literally run up over 200%, literally within the week. Like, it's just absolutely remarkable. So there are going to be corrections. However, that doesn't mean that we cannot progress and continue to make gains, you know, moving forward. So we'll have a look at see what 2025 is saying. Well, 2024 before we roll into 2025, and yeah, we'll go from there. However, in other news as well, we have had in the last couple of days, Janet Yellen, Treasury Secretary, resigns abruptly. So she is responsible, basically. She is like the CFO of the American economy, basically, Chief Financial Officer. Okay, so she makes all the key decisions when it comes, you know, to the budget, etc. So she's gone. So does she know something that we don't? Now, why would you resign abruptly? You know, why wouldn't you just head out of office on the 20th of January when Donald Trump takes over? Yeah, it just doesn't make any sense. So it's very, very, very odd. Now, earlier I did tweet out, if you guys do want shout outs at the end of the video, make sure to purchase a plan and I will give you a shout out at the end of the video. We've already had a lot of orders based on the tweet that I posted out today. We've got the XRP plan and the XDC plan. You are 30 times more likely to achieve your goals if they are written down in comparison to somebody who hasn't got any goals at all. Okay, so that's an easy way to 30x your self-development and also have a guide and an investment strategy going into 2025 into the super cycle. So XRP plan there, if you do add both to cart, you do get that automatic discount. So that is bundle 10. You will save yourself decent, you know, a considerable amount of money there. So anyway, that's out of the equation. So here we go, Xlm right about now. So we still have head and shoulders pattern now. Xlm has failed to invalidate the head and shoulder pattern here because we did have to get up to around that sort of 78, 79 cent. Xlm got up to here, which is highlighted here in the yellow circle if I scroll in. We got as high as around 62, 63 cent, I would say. So in my opinion, this is why we need to correct, because anytime we've actually run up to the upside, look how long it's taken us. So from this bottom here, which I'm highlighting, it literally took us, let's just measure from the bottom all the way up there to the top. That took 400, let's say 424 days, yeah? Approximately 424 days. Yeah, we have done that literally from the US elections. That is just remarkable. So, you know, Xlm is doing some massive things now. Is Xlm the actual dark horse of this particular cycle? Look at that, within 3 weeks. Wow, that is absolutely crazy. I'm going to actually make a measurement actually from sort of US elections. So US elections are on the 5th. I'm trying to capture the 5th accurately here. I tell you what, when I do that and it clicks off it, that does my nut in that. Right, look at that. No way. Xlm has done 600% move. Get out. I didn't even know. I thought it was 200%. When I go through CoinMarketCap and I search by like weekly gains, I'm sure like Xlm was up like 200%. 600%. What? My God, like I said, all these have got corrections. Historically, anytime we got up to near these highs, we've done 90% correction. I tell you what, I'm going to get myself a big bag. If this Black Swan is going to play out with, with all this going on, with politics and all that, I am definitely getting myself a bag of XLM. I don't care. So I'll probably end up doing the sort of trifecta. So I'll look at like maybe XDC, XRP, and XLM as well. Now, I'm not exposed to XLM directly. I am involved indirectly. So I've got Velo and Stronghold as well, which are like small cap gems, which can really run a lot of potential, a lot of partnerships involved there. So that's my sort of exposure, indirect exposure to XLM. But let's have a look at Gala anyway. So I'm going to show you guys where we are at the moment. So just to simplify things, again, same similar chart. So this is what's happening now. So we've actually flipped the key level of resistance into support. So we brought that. So we've almost got the license to run, if you will. However, before we do get running, there's a couple of hurdles, and this is the first hurdle which we are facing sort of rejection. So I do believe we're going to crack this, and we're going to crack a lot of sort of resistance this week, because I do believe the markets are going to top out at the end of the week, and then we will be looking at a Black Swan event. So these cryptos, for example, like Gala, are going to run up, and I think Sand as well. Just going back to the crypto bubbles, Sand is the sort of early mover in that basket of sort of metaverse tokens, gaming, entertainment, if you will. So I mentioned previously our baskets run up together. So like the utility tokens, the meme coins, the gaming coins, Sand is leading the sort of gaming sort of basket, if you will. Now that tells me that's good news, because if Sand's running up massively, Gala and the rest of the other gaming tokens are going to run up massively as well. So this is a week, in my opinion, to be in gaming coins. Now, I don't like trading meme coins, but with gaming coins, they do have a utility, and I do believe they have got a future. Along, inside the, obviously it's not going to facilitate the QFS, the quantum financial system, but they're going to have a role to play, aren't they, in terms of like the metaverse, as people lose their jobs, as AI comes in, looking at taking like 50% of, most jobs by like 2030, 2033 it might be. But ultimately, people are going to have nothing to do. Nobody's going to have a purpose. Or the metaverse is where literally everybody will be spending their time online, and that's where you'll probably make your money. But look at GTA. Imagine what GTA comes out looking like. I believe they're going to be. I think that's what the delays in regards to actually, trying to implement crypto payments in GTA. So it's a little bit like Fortnite, where you can sell your skins, or you've got like other sort of in-game purchases where you could actually trade for real money, which would be absolutely ace. But anyway, this is Gala now. We're looking at taking this box out, but as soon as we can take this box out, we're looking at these sort of highs, which ultimately we're looking to take. So this is our first sort of conservative profit. Nothing's changed from yesterday. We're looking at 8 cents, and then you do know, if you've been watching the video and you are subscribed, we have got orders up around here. So that's the sort of sell orders, that is. Up to, I would say, maximum 17 cents if you want to be a little bit greedy. Obviously, if you are being greedy, there's a chance it may not trigger your sell orders. If you do, then you've been a little bit lucky, and sit out of the markets, in my opinion, until mid-December, when the market does correct anywhere from like 70 to 90%, in my opinion. So Gala looking really well, but yeah, just overcome this hurdle now, and then we've pretty much got to take out this local high back in, well, it's a 2024 high. So if we take that out, then we can get past this, and it's looking more favourable than to get to the higher targets. So let's just play it by here. So what I'd be looking to do, if we get up to this sort of level, if we get up to about 8 cents by, say, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll probably look at holding into Friday, and I'll maybe even extend it till Saturday, just to see if we start wicking up into here, where all these sell orders that we're going to be placing, if you are following that trade of mine. Okay, so that is Gala looking really good. Let's have a look at XRP. We've got XRP and XDC. Let me just have a look at XDC first. Let's filter it through to the symbols. So XDC, there's a lot of volatility now, guys. So it's not a good idea to be actually trading with stop losses at this point, because I do believe we are seeing like a blow off sort of move in this sort of, you can call it a fake out, you can call it the first impulse. But ultimately, I still believe we have got to correct down to the apex of a lot of these cryptos. So it's almost like a breakout and then a retest, if you will. So the breakout gives you the direction, the retest confirms the technical analysis as support, and that will then give you the license to move. Again, we've taken out some decent numbers here, so let me just clear this up with lines with markers. Look at this, we're getting up to these sort of highs now. So again, there's like this order block here. So you'll be able to see there's a lot of consolidation there. Now, XDC looks to be in the middle of the noise now. Okay, so it's not up until we get up to about, I'm going to say 6 cent, just to round it up. It's about it's 5 cent 8, I would say. If we start triggering past 5 cent 8, then we'll be looking at taking that decent run up to about 9.5 cent. Have we got wicks? This is a daily. Yeah, I'm expecting 9.5 cent for XDC certainly by the end of the week. So let's just have a look in terms of gains now from current price action. From current price action up today, looking at around 80, 88, 89% return. So it's almost like a 2x. So XDC is a strong hold, in my opinion, right now. So it's looking very good for a lot of these coins. Now, to finish off with XRP. XRP is currently trading here at $1.41 at the time of recording. So let's just zoom into this now. So there was a lot of controversy surrounding what I posted, because yesterday I did post a viral post over on X. Let's get to it. Let's find it now. That's Gala. It was this one here. So this has gone viral. Yeah, it's triggered a lot of people who are like, thinking they know best. Yeah. Now I put this as a final analysis for XRP. Take out $1.96. So that has always been the target, and I'll show you guys again why $1.96 has always been the target. And then I believe we're going to hit $2.07 on the 26th of November. That's just because of historical data. It doesn't necessarily have to be the 26th. As long as you're out of the market by the end of the month, guys, you can keep running it from up until Thursday, Friday if you want. Yeah. But ultimately, history has told us the best time to get out will be around the 26th. Don't ask me what hour. I really don't know. Do you know what I mean? I'm just on the daily and the weekly candles. Okay. So this has altered slightly. I believe it could have gone up to about $2.10. Nothing to... nothing to like lose your head about anyway. It's just simply because XRP's done a little bit of a dip, which means the measured move has increased slightly. So it's looking around $2.10 now if we are to get this fifth wave. Okay, so we've done around approximately 170,000 impressions. So this guy thinking he's clever, he's basically copied someone else, the idiot. Wave 3 cannot be the smallest wave. Yes, we know that, mate. You basically copied and, basically said what someone else has already said. So usually this is the Elliott wave count. You get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move. Okay, usually wave 1 is a lot shorter. And then ideally, the Elliott wave theory stipulates that this wave 3 should be twice the length of wave 1, which it's not. So this tells me straight away this can still occur. Okay, there are anomalies in Elliott wave theory, and this is why it is just a theory, because it's never been proven to be correct. There's no scientific evidence. It's just the sort of patterns that outplay. So this is what I mean. This is a basically cocked up sort of structure for XRP, which is why I believe we are reaching the pinnacle now for XRP in this move, because this is a long wave 1, and then you get a correction with the sort of bull pennant here. The bull pennant breaks out, and that's when you create wave 3. You get the sort of retracement, okay, and then that's when you get the sort of final impulse. Now, this is what's playing out at the moment, guys. So I do believe we will see over $2 in the coming days, in my opinion. Now, I'm going to go down to the 4-hourly just to show you guys the measured move as to why I am predicting just above $2.07. We'll see. We'll do it together anyway, guys. We'll see what comes out of it. So with a measured move, you take the bottom after the sort of local high. So obviously this is a local high here with the wick. So we'll take the low here after the top. And then what you want to do is bring 50% and plant it on top of that wick there, yeah? So I'm going to say that, yeah, it's still coming out around $2, $2.07. Could round it up to $2.08. I'm not going to lose any sleep over that. So that's the sort of move I expect us to play out now. So it's looking very weak. You can see like we're making lower highs as well on the 4-hourly, yeah. So you got this sort of high here, lower high. It's looking very, very weak. So I just believe we're going to take all that liquidity up there. and then that's going to be the short squeeze for the bulls. Okay, so I feel like that would be a good opportunity to short the market, in my opinion. Now, if I actually go out to the sort of monthly, you can see exactly why $1.96 is key. This was the monthly close here at $1.96 in the sort of first super cycle, if you will. The previous cycle here wicked into $1.96. So on the macro, $1.96 is literally the sort of holy grail in this sort of symmetrical triangle. So until we start breaking $1.96, we need a close above $1.96. Like I said, we will break it. I believe it'll be $2.07, but it'll be strongly rejected in my view, and that's when we correct to the downside around 50 cent to the price where it was trading at the time of the Bitcoin halving. Yeah, so that was around 50 cent, guys. So that's what I'm expecting now. So it's very, very dangerous times now to be trading wave 5. But yeah, that is the XRP charts. Now I'm just going to give a quick shout out to the customers that have purchase some of the plans over here on the blockbulls.com. Link below is in the description. So you guys have ordered literally within today. I think let's have a look here. So Arno's the latest one from Turkey. Big up Arno, mate. XDC plan. Jeff from the USA, XRP. Malik from Canada. These guys are coming all over the place and they're owning it. You know, they're copying the plan. They have got it all mapped out ahead of them. So they literally just chilling now. When we sell our bags at the end of the month, get back in on the 16th of December, follow these plans. If you're in XDC, get a plan. If you're in XRP, get a plan. You literally just chill. And I've got the exact dates for you in the XRP plan as well, so you know exactly when to take profits at the peak of that sort of move, if you will. I've got Malik from Canada, Jordan from USA has also got XRP. Mikael as well from USA, he bought both of them. So big up Miguel, he's owning it. He's not messing about. Miguel, you're an absolute baller, mate. He's got XRP, XDC. Ned from Germany, you guys coming from all over. Jonathan from the UK, that's exactly where I'm based. We've got Ted again from the USA and Adrian as well, also from the USA. So big up you guys. I can't ask for any more, guys. I do believe you guys are going to make it. No question about it in my mind. But yeah, guys, until next time, I've been the Block Bull. Block Bull over and out.